Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, November 15th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow keeps trying to figure out what it's going to do, and then it sinks lower. Again, there remains uncertainty over this tax reform bill, and that is putting a lot of pressure on the overall market. It's kind of interesting. I'm showing you 3 days here, and notice each and every day the Dow opens lower and then comes back. But there's a little difference today in that on these other 2 days it comes back and closes fairly near or at its high. Like yesterday, I think it did close on its high. Today, it had the lower opening again. It came back, but then it didn't stay. I mean, it sold off fairly significantly and closing closer to its low than its high. So based on that, and I've been consistently wrong lately on my Dow predictions, but based on that, I will call the Dow down for tomorrow. We didn't have a terrible day, however, even if the Dow did not have such a great day. By the way, the Dow ended up down 134 points, a pretty significant sell-off. We had no positions coming in, so we didn't close anything out. So there's nothing there to report. But we did, surprisingly enough, we got into 9 new positions. 5 were positive, 4 were negative, and we're holding just shy of $3,000 going into tomorrow. I'll show you 2 of the good trades. This first one is Global Blood Therapeutics. This is a very volatile stock. We bought this thing at the beginning of the first hour, and it kept moving. And then, look at this. Most of the movement is the last 15 minutes of the day. Actually, I like that. I once did a study on this and found out that this would be, if you wanted to write a good program, write one where you buy when you have a big push, the last, say 30 minutes of the day. There's usually good follow-through on that the next morning. Anyway, Global Blood Therapeutics were up $2,100 in that. And then the other one, and I don't think we've had a trade in this yet. This is Abeona. I hope I'm saying that. Abeona Therapeutics. And we bought this right at the beginning of the day and got nearly the top of this spike here. But it kept moving very nicely. And we're holding $2,400 positive in Abeona Therapeutics. So that looks real good too. So not a real exciting day, but it was profitable. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday.